Hello there, Hallmark here. I'm out in the shop today and I'm working on a horse saddle stand build for a restaurant here in the area. And I wanted to add some decorations like some horseshoes and different metal elements onto it. Thought it might look nice. But these look kind of plain and kind of rough, so I'm going to try to use some gun bluing liquid to actually help them darken up and get a nice antique look. The products I'll be using today is this Perma Blue kit from Birchwood Casey. And this is for guns normally, but I'm going to use it here for horseshoes, and we'll see how it goes. It comes with a rust remover. It also comes with a degreaser to clean the part with, and of course the Perma Blue cold bluing solution as well. The part that I'm going to be covering are these two little horseshoes I got from Tractor Supply. They're very practical for horses, but they're not practical for the woodworking project I'm building because I need them to be a little antique-y, kind of black looking. So let's see if this works. Hey guys, I noticed that 98% of my viewers are unsubscribed, which means that you need to subscribe today. Now I have a bunch of tools here, like some little paint brushes and things, a little cup to hold the liquid, but the kit came with some steel wool, and this is like some soft, fine steel wool. Little paper towels, it came with some good 3M 400 grit sandpaper. So let's experiment and see what we can do. Step one, my goal is to prepare the surface and give it a good cleaning. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to start with this 400 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to go over it. And now I'll take some of this cleaner degreaser and this little paper towel they included. Oh snap. And I'm just going to clean the parts really well. Give them a good wipe down. Alrighty, and now I'll just take my paper towel here. I'm just going to dry off and make sure the part's ready to be coated. Alrighty, now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the Perma Blue solution. Now one tip that I've learned from looking this up online is it says to actually place a small amount in a separate container that you're going to use. That way you don't contaminate the original bottle by dipping a dipper or brush in there. So kind of a cool little tip. And now we'll begin the process. I'm going to use the little applicator that they provided. They provided 3 of these, and we'll use these up just to kind of get a feel for it. I'm going to saturate the applicator, and now we'll begin. Instantly I see a darkening. This stuff smells terrible, in case you were wondering. Terrible smell. I hate it. Wow, looks a lot better already. Instead of that kind of dull, brighter gray, it's taken on a darker gray. It looks really nice compared to what it was. Now while I've got this liquid out here, I wanted to experiment with some different things. This is like a zinc coated screw head. I thought I would experiment with this just to see how it does. Wow. Sorry, the camera's not really in focus, but wow. That is really neat. Wow, that is so cool. Now I can use like zinc plated screws and put this on the head of them to make them look kind of antique, and I might could use some of these in more projects. I also picked up these small casters to hopefully use for it. This is just an experiment. I'm not sure if it'll work, but they were cheap enough I thought I'd try them out. But let's see what this does to this very cheap metal. Let's see what it does. Wow. I love that. It changes right before your eyes, which is super satisfying, by the way. I'm excited about this video just because of how satisfying the color change is. But this is taking it from a shiny, zinc-plated look to an antique look almost instantly. Wow, guys, that is so exciting. I can't believe that 15 bucks got me the ability to turn ordinary looking metal pieces into cool, antique, darker looking pieces. Now, the camera might not focus in very well, but these things look really cool, really antique-y. These casters may be the winner. Look how cool that looks. It looks really, I don't know, oil rubbed bronze or something. It looks really cool. And of course, the horseshoes darkened up a little bit. They're not as light gray. Overall, very pleased. Hit the subscribe button below and the like button if you liked it. And stay tuned for more future videos about woodworking.